Give me 133 seconds, and I'll show you how to 100x your learning speed using ChatGPT. Most people think learning faster means watching more tutorials, reading more books, or consuming productivity videos. But that's exactly why you're still stuck, because watching isn't learning. Real learning happens when your brain struggles, not when it scrolls. You don't learn by watching success, you learn by creating it. And ChatGPT, used the right way, can turn that struggle into speed. Not as a chatbot, but as your personal mentor, your coach, available 24/7. Here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need to wait years to master something anymore. You just need to create your own custom GPT and let ChatGPT guide you through it like a private teacher. Let me explain. When you create your custom GPT, whether it's learning design, AI, or marketing, you instantly shift from passive consumer to active creator. After creating it, you should fill it with every possible useful information that is related to your topic. For that, you have to go to YouTube and copy transcripts of 10 viral videos related to the skill that you want to learn. Not to steal, but to reverse engineer patterns of success. Your brain starts recognizing what works. Now, here's where the magic happens. You build a custom GPT and give it a command, like, "You are my personal mentor. Teach me step by step, analyze everything I do, and correct my mistakes." At that moment, you stop being a random learner and start being an apprentice of mastery. You're learning in the exact same way elite performers do, through real-time feedback, constant correction, and active building. Every message you send becomes a lesson. Every mistake becomes a milestone. You're not memorizing, you're transforming. This isn't just faster learning, it's compounding learning. Every question, every project, every experiment multiplies your progress. While most people spend 10 hours watching, you spend 10 hours evolving. That's how your learning speed increases 100 times. This is the 10-90 rule. 10% learning, 90% working. When you learn while implementing, your brain rewires at lightning speed. You start becoming the person you were trying to learn from. So stop consuming and start creating. Pick your dream, build your project, and let ChatGPT become the mentor that takes you there, faster than anyone around you. It's about becoming unstoppable.